first and foremost to the city government of Rome for put out all the way here. Also to the Tanduay team, and to a very special partnership rooted in shared values and commitment to improving the lives and uplifting the community. Finally, I just want to give a toast to the illustrious future of Tanduay. As it was mentioned before, #1 rum in the world and 7th spirit in the world is no easy feat. So may we continue to make the Philippines proud as the #1 rum. Cheers.